I explain to you the law?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So there is case law, Terry versus Ohio. I will write it down on a piece of paper and give it to you. I will write down a piece of paper and give it to you after we're done with this. That says that we can pat people down.
You can't pat me down.
Okay.
Not on no motherfucking traffic violation. I'm considering no bike. I ain't under the influence. I ain't been drinking.
We do have legal authority.
I don't give a fuck. That's some bullshit. To me, that's not some bullshit. Well, we gonna sit
You're lying.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Joaquin News Network. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in, and today I'm bringing to you guys a video brought to you by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Donna Acevedo. This channel here is neither a cop watcher nor a First Amendment auditor, but a bystander who happened to witness some cops confronting another gentleman. This video here features the Anaheim Police Department out of the state of California. The man they are dealing with here claims he has done nothing wrong while he refuses to let these cops search him, in which he has a right to per the 4th Amendment. The excuse you guys will see these cops use in this video for their reasoning to search this gentleman is a little pathetic in my opinion. They try to say that the case law Terry versus Ohio gives them this authority to search anyone they deem as suspicious. What the case law actually states is that they need to state what reasonable, articulable suspicion that they have of someone of why they may be dangerous. They can't just run up on you and put their hands on you, but God knows there isn't anything that will stop them from trying. This gentleman here does a pretty good job standing firm on his rights, and I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Leave your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
Yeah, so you can. I'm refusing you to search. Here.
I understand you.
I refuse. I refuse you to search. I ain't did nothing. Nah, so what? You can throw my bike up? No,
right there.
I ain't did shit. Can I sit right? I ain't so you can attack me?
No, that's not gonna happen.
That's what you gonna do?
Does it look like I'm trying to attack you?
You trying to make me move my bike too fast so you can attack me? Get up and try to physically search me. So I don't want you to do none of that to me. Don't touch me. I ain't call a sergeant. I ain't did shit.
What would the sergeant be able to explain to you that I have not?
I got to go search you for what?
We're able to pat you down. There's case law, Terry versus Ohio.
I ain't getting that wrong for your tax search for your motherfucking lie. You crazy as hell.
Alright, if you'd like me to explain it to you, I can. If not, then...
I want to see a watchman to come right here talking about
I'm not going to call the watchman.
I ain't refusing to search you. I ain't did shit.
I'll call supervisor.
I don't care. I ain't did that, bro.
Would you like to call supervisor? If that will de-escalate the situation...
I ain't did nothing, man. I ain't did nothing. You just over here harassing me, bro. You're profiling me. You can't see what somebody is mad. Tripping. Fuck all that. I ain't did nothing. I'm standing on that. You ain't gonna search me. That's a fact.
Okay. We're not going to search you. Okay. I'd like to pat you down for weapons.
You can't pat me down. I don't. I do not want to consent to search and seizure for what? I ain't did shit. I ain't did nothing for you to search me,
If you let me explain it to you, I'll explain it to you.
You can't. How you gonna search me? What crime I've committed?
I've already explained the CBS.
I ain't committed no crime. No lawful crime for you to search me, man. No, you can't. You can't make me believe that, man. You can't. You can't. I ain't gonna believe that shit, bro.
Sir, what we don't want to do is
call the watch commander, man, because you got to search me. I ain't did shit.
Coming right now.
For no reason,
if that would de-escalate the situation,
hell no, fuck all that.
Give you a reason.
I ain't committed no crime. I ain't did nothing for you to search me, bro. I don't give a fuck. Let's okay, sir. No, I ain't gonna say shit else. What if I did? I ain't did shit. Even if I did some traffic violations on the bike, then so what? Give me my citation and let me bounce. That's it. First of all, get the watch commander. I ain't did nothing wrong, bro. You've been harassing me since you seen me down the street on the aisle. That's what's going on. Because you don't know when somebody just mad. Period. And I ain't giving up my right to search and seizure for nothing.
You don't have to give up your right to search.
Yeah, and I ain't committed no crime. You think I'm gonna let you search me?
What we want to do is just pat you down for weapons.
Man, you see these guns right here? That's what I got up underneath me. I got some guns up underneath here. That's all it is.
All you have is your muscles.
That's all it is. That's all it is. It ain't nothing but these guns up underneath.
You're causing this to be escalated. I'm trying to de-escalate.
Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to violate my rights, man, by telling me I need to search and seizure for something I ain't did wrong.
Can I explain to you the law?
Can
I explain to you the law? Can I explain to you the law?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So there is case law, Terry versus Ohio. I will write it down on a piece of paper and give it to you. I will write down on a piece of paper and give it to you after we're done with this. That says that we can pat people down.
You can't pat me down. Okay. Not on no motherfucking traffic violation. I'm considering no bike. I ain't under the influence. I ain't been drinking.
We do have legal authority.
I don't give a fuck. That's some bullshit. To me, that's not some bullshit. Well, we gonna sit
You're lying.
Well, we gonna sit right here and just wait it out. We got a witness right here. That's all we gonna do. I'm gonna turn my lights off so I run my battery down because y'all ain't gonna fuck me up. Yeah, and this is an $800 bike and it ain't stolen. Showing the fuck game. And don't worry about all that. I got money in my pocket. I ain't no robbery suspect. I ain't did nothing. I'm not. I'm showing the fuck now. I ain't did shit for you to search me, bro. And I ain't got nothing on me. Straight, I'll tell you like that. I ain't got no guns on me. I ain't got no dope. I ain't got no crack. I ain't got nothing. I'm telling you straight out. I ain't got that. I'm letting you know I ain't got nothing but a pack of cigarettes on me, and that's it, bro. That's fine.
Well,
that's all I got.
You're the one to put this on the internet. We're not doing anything out of our authority. That's all I got, man. And I'm just trying to de-escalate the situation.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I ain't doing none of that shit. Hey, watch this, man. Watch my name come back. Watch how it intensifies it. Watch this.
As soon as our partners get here, we're gonna write him a citation.
Yeah, let me go.
Violations,
yeah, that's it. You ain't gonna search for probation, man. I've been out of the penitentiary 8 years. I've been out of prison 8 years, man. I've been doing good.
What were you in prison for?
Shit, it ain't none of your business. Don't you got a computer right there? Well, my name. I'm straight. We don't have any motherfucking conversation other than you trying to violate my civil rights by making me search to a fucking bicycle code violation. And that got me fucked up.
I've already told you we're not trying to search you.
Oh, but then we good then.
You have no weapons.
I don't. So you can't search me. I don't. So we good. I told you I got a pack of cigarettes on me. That's it, sir.
If there is any of you folks watching out there that are unaware of this, but a pat down by police is considered a search of your person that you are allowed to refuse. I mean, if you do a quick Google search on your phone or computer, it says it right here in the first few words of the 4th Amendment on how it is your right to keep secure of your person, papers, and effects from unlawful searches and seizures. The fact that these are people who swear an oath to protect these rights and don't even know what they are at all is quite a shame if you ask me. If these cops were talking to someone who was well seasoned on what their rights and laws were, this interaction would have taken a turn very quickly. The Terry versus Ohio case law does not state nor give cops immunity to just search anyone whoever they please. This is what they may tell you folks, but remember, cops are also allowed to lie to you as well. What this case law actually states is that there must be a reasonable, articulable suspicion that you may have a weapon on you. If a cop cannot state what that is or why they believe that, they have no legal obligation nor authority to put their hands on you. Keep watching.
I know
we are waiting for a supervisor at this point.
Hey, ma'am, I did 20 years in the penitentiary. 20. And I know my civil code rights and violations and shit like that. So whatever little traffic shit that they get me on, that's fine. But all that other shit that they trying to force their little badge, no, never. Can I get my phone?
At this point, you already have. So.
I ain't getting nothing wrong.
I know.
I ain't getting nothing wrong. Yeah, I'm being harassed by the police, so I told you I got chased down by the cops. They got me on the curb. Hello? That's Anaheim PD got me right here in Bond Shopping Center. Right here. And it's another lady right here recording. She tells me straight out, they trying to make me search and seizure on a bike violation. All right, bye.
We got her filming, we got her filming, and we got both of us filming, okay?
Well, it don't matter.
This can be evaluated, reviewed by whoever. I don't care. Well, all I want to do is make sure that we all...
Listen, sir, all I want to do is make sure by trying to make me subject to a search and seizure on a bike violation, and that was some bullshit.
I've already explained to you the case law that says we're allowed to.
Nah, man, that's bullshit. Watch commander can tell me that.
We have a supervisor coming right now.
That's the ticket.
I know, but I can't write that ticket until the scene is safe.
Okay, well, wait till your supervisor comes. We'll release it, and then you give me my ticket, and we good. Are you still not gonna search? That's it.
Every ticket I've got, they've never searched my car.
I got lights. I had lights. I got lights
for traffic violations.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Curiosity, you see people doing things, you see I ain't afraid to speak. Evidently, if I ain't afraid to speak, then you know that this dude ain't going for nothing. You know what I mean? I saw when y'all, we was going the same direction. I turned off that little street, did my little thing, then I jumped across the street. I saw when y'all turned y'all lights on over here. So, you know, I watched it. So, you know, I mean, that's what profiling is all about. That's what happened.
I recognize you.
What's that? You wanna fuck with me?
What's going on?
Riding my bike, hitting corners. They see me, they wanna fuck with me. You know what I mean? Now they wanna talk about some, oh, you got some little traffic, little infractions. Okay, that's fine, but you talking about you wanna search me, but for what? I ain't on probation, I ain't on probation in 8 years.
Okay.
I've been doing good. I just look like this. You know what I mean? That's all it is. When you start getting curious about somebody, you know? want to get to tripping, but they get to talk about they want to search you for what?
And here we are again, folks, with another example of how extremely afraid cops are of these mysterious creatures called human beings. Kudos to this gentleman here for not letting this cop walk all over his rights. He stood his ground, and I feel like that should be admired, and that's what I think everyone should do in a situation like this. Folks, what we are seeing here is also another example of how they are mind manipulated into believing everyone out there they come across is a bad person. This is called the us versus them mentality, and former cops have said that they are repeatedly taught this kind of mindset throughout their entire 6 months of training. I would call it a sort of gang mentality if you were to ask me. Instead of protecting the serving them community like they love to preach so much about, it seems like all they're about these days is harassing, brutalizing, and extorting the people who pay their salaries, those who don't and do know their rights, which is why you always got to stand up for them and record your interactions every time a cop tries to trample all over them. Let's keep watching.
The ticket?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I'll go pay that little shit, man.
Yeah.
I'll go pay it tonight.
Yeah. Okay. Well, no, just stick my stuff there. I'm gonna go back and work in a minute.
I know, you told me you've been to prison, you've been in
Look at this shit.
for
This
20 years. I know.
$3 grand on me. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, it ain't like I got some money. You know what I mean? Got a little dollars. Got a little bullshit ass ticket, man. What's on? Your profile of the motherfucker. That's all it is. That's what happened. I was with an individual right there, going down the right side of the road. Yeah, you followed me. Why y'all following me?
Driving down.
Come on, man. I didn't know. Was I appearing to be doing anything that was illegal or anything? As I was riding down the same street in traffic?
We're not getting
It was Amanda's here. Trying to violate my rights.
That's first.
Yeah, that's right. Exactly, that was first. That's what you was trying to do, bro. Make these self-service.
This is just going to be the case law that we're referring to in terms of pat-down searches for you are going to be cited today, so we'll be re-rented. Sign out here, I'll give you a copy.
What? Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. I really know the dollars.
Thank you, sir.
And that's all she wrote for this one, folks. I don't know about you guys, but I think this man did an amazing job standing up for his rights. Who knows what could have happened had this man not had one, but two bystanders filming everything to assure that these cops didn't beat him up. Or worse. My only advice out there to you folks, and what I would have done different if it were me in this situation, is exercise the 5th Amendment, which is your right to keep silent and not play the game of 1,000 pointless questions. Remember, folks, that you have a right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. These are the 5 fundamental freedoms that fall under the First Amendment of the Constitution to the United States. But no matter where you are in the world, if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. It's a shame cops still try to make a criminal out of those who are innocent. If you guys appreciated this video, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future content, including updates, lawsuits, and settlements. As always, folks, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description. Be sure to let them know that we sent you. I'd like to thank you folks once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Here they come. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. The folk rock police. Here they come.